Namaskar. Human life is nothing else but social life. When you meet other people, what we all know, every human is different. Every human has nature, his habit, value system. Every human reacts to different situations in different way. It's such atmosphere. How to maintain relationship, we have to really give a thought to it. I give you one example. A father decided to take 1.5 year to mall one day. He felt that it would be fun outing of them, but he didn't go. When they arrived, the child was fascinating with bright lights around, people around, with little candy around, very happy. There was a toy store which child attention at once. While walking, began shouting and yelling, attempting to communicate to his father that he wants to go inside. Since the child yelling, father started speaking, said, Rohit, no, this is not right, father said. Each child became more aggressive, showing his tantrum. He was so loud that everyone in the mall turned to look at the scene. Rohit, no, stay calm, father calmly said. Child simply jumped out of the cradle and ran towards the toy shop. He was crying. Father simply followed him, picked him up, and put him back into the cradle. There was one lady who was witnessing all these things. She came closer and approached the father and calmly said, Sir, your son Rohit is really lucky to have such a father who have so much patience. If I was there, I would beaten up my child. I couldn't tolerate this nonsense what child is creating. The father replied, Madam, let me tell you, Rohit is not my son's name. It is my name. I am trying again and again to convince my son, tell my son, remain calm and not get angry at any situation. What does this beautiful story teach us? It teaches us very important lesson that we have to work on ourselves to maintain a relationship. In our relationship, we expect everybody to behave well. It is right, but relationship does not work like that. If you want any relationship successful, you must maintain necessarily changing in your behavior. Many disputes could be resolved to working in yourself, because relationship are all working on your reaction, not any other's reaction. Each individual is unique. Therefore, rather correcting their way, you should bettering your way to sustain relationship in our relationship. But solution to any problem is not blame others, but to develop the let go attitude. If you want the relationship get the strong, if instead the criticizing of others, take a moment analyzing the situation. The majority of the time it is our foolishness, our mindness that create problem. Instead, your mind, your action before pointing out and others. Also understand that relationships are not meant to be happy and cheerful all the time. It also consists struggle and trials to maintain a strong bond. You also have to understand what some people are irritating just because they are loved one more time from them. However, their demand is well. You should understand what is your parents, spouse, and children want and why they act they do at that time. Relationship requires continuous efforts. You have to work on your relationship because judging others relationship. Understand relationship beautiful bond, and each relationship you share is unique and special. So understand, in relationship you have to work on yourself. This way, not only you will grow, but your relationship also grow, and it would be beautiful, happy, and very healthy relationship which you will enjoy in your life. Namaskar.